Zach Gunrod. I am a developer advocate at AWS, and I have a background with DevOps engineering and working in digital healthcare.
My name is David. I am the Chief Information Officer from a Mexican company named Metemite.
How did you feel coming out of your session today?
I felt very nervous. I finished very nervous. As I mentioned before, I'm from Mexico, so I speak native Spanish. And with the big audience that we had today, all the people that speak English, I felt like, I don't know if I can correlate all the words correctly.
I can't even imagine. Like, I couldn't do a talk in a second language, so it's really impressive. How have you found your experience so far with the community?
How are my experience with the community? First, I discovered the Community Builders community, and it's an amazing way to share knowledge, to learn, to talk with people in the same language, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes, even if you are in the tech area, you don't speak the same technical language. A lot of people talk about put the other cloud computing. Even in Mexico, for example, in Mexico there are a lot of community that making these movements, they share information, etc. With the community builders, I found like the space that I want to learn, to share knowledge, to grow like a professional, etc.
Why do you think it's important for companies to let speakers like yourself come and give these sessions or these talks and help the community grow?
Your developers will grow with the community, with the experience, with the networking, with all the partners that AWS have here. So every talk that AWS bring here, it's an opportunity to grow, to share knowledge, to be a better professional in your career.
If you could go back to the start of your career and change one thing, what would you change?
Take great notes, better notes that I took before about the mistakes that I made in the past. You don't born and you are an expert.
Yes.
You increase your knowledge making errors, mistakes.
So what advice would you give to somebody who's just starting out in the community?
Networking. Networking, no more. Even if you talk with any person here, for example, in a summit, you're going to have an advice and a good commentary and a different point of view. Networking is the key. Here is the place to share the knowledge, to grow personally and with the community.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and it's been a pleasure talking to you.
Hey there! Thanks for checking out this video. Remember to give it a like and share with your community. Then hit subscribe and the bell for all the latest content that will help you build on AWS.